9 lies you were taught about the universe. Intro 0 o'clock to 1 o'clock. Narrator. When you look up at the night sky, what do you see? Stars, planets, mystery, and lies. Some of the most basic things we think we know about the universe are wrong. Today we're going to uncover 9 lies you were taught about space, planets, and the cosmos. Get ready. Some of these will change how you see the universe, forever. Lie number 1 to 1 o'clock to 2:15. The sun is yellow. Look up. The sun looks yellow, right? But in reality, the sun emits white light. It only appears yellow from Earth due to our atmosphere scattering shorter blue wavelengths. In space, the sun is a blinding white sphere of plasma. Astronauts confirm, no yellow, just pure white fury. So next time you draw a sun with a yellow crayon, it's already a lie. Lie number 2, 2:15 to 3:30. Saturn is the only planet with rings. It's got the best ones, sure, but not the only ones. Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune all have rings. They're just fainter, harder to see. Saturn is the prom queen, but her sisters have halos too. NASA's Voyager and Cassini missions confirmed this decades ago. So why didn't the textbook update? Lie number 3 to 3:30 to 5 o'clock. There is no gravity in space. Space isn't zero gravity, it's microgravity. Gravity's everywhere, it just weakens with distance. Astronauts in orbit are actually falling around Earth, but since they're moving sideways fast enough, they don't hit the ground. They re-weightless not because there's no gravity, but because they in free fall. Imagine jumping off a building and never landing. That's orbit. Lie number 4 to 5 o'clock to 6:30. The moon has a dark side. We've all heard it. The dark side of the moon. But that's completely wrong. Every part of the moon gets sunlight. What we really mean is far side, the side that's never visible from Earth because the moon is tidally locked. It spins just once per orbit around Earth, so we always see the same face. But the far side gets just as much light. It's just not broadcasting it to us. Lie number 5 to 6:32, 8 o'clock. Asteroids and comets are the same thing. They're both space rocks, but not twins. Asteroids are mostly rock or metal, found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Comets are icy and come from the outer solar system. When they approach the sun, the heat causes them to develop glowing tails. So next time someone says asteroid with a tail, nope, that's a comet making a fashion statement. Lie number 6 to 8 o'clock to 9:30. Shooting stars are stars. Hate to break it to you, they're not. A shooting star is actually a tiny meteor, usually smaller than a pebble, burning up in Earth's atmosphere. Actual stars light years away. So that wish you made, you were talking to a dust particle. Lie number 7 to 9:30 to 10:45. The Earth is a perfect sphere. It's close, but not quite. Earth is an oblate spheroid, meaning it's slightly flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator. Why? Because it spins, and centrifugal force pushes the equator outward. So if Earth were a fruit, it'd be a squashed orange, not a perfect ball. Lie number 8, 10:45 to 12:15. Humans can explode in space without a suit. Dramatic? Yes. Accurate? Not really. You want to explode, but you'd pass out in 15 seconds from lack of oxygen, and die within 1 to 2 minutes from exposure. Your blood wouldn't boil, but gas in your lungs and intestines would expand, causing severe internal damage. Still gruesome, just not Michael Bay explosion levels. Lie number 9 to 12, 15 to 13:30. The Big Bang was an explosion in space. It wasn't an explosion in space. It was an expansion of space. Space itself stretched outward from a single point of extreme density and heat. There was no bang, no sound, no fireball. Just rapid expansion. The universe didn't explode into something. It became everything. Mind blown yet? Outro to 13:30 to 14:30 narrator. So, how many of these cosmic lies did you grow up believing? School taught us the basics, but often left out the truth. If your mind's spinning like a galaxy right now, don't worry. We're just getting started. Subscribe for more myth-busting episodes, and share this with someone who still thinks the sun is yellow.